Tunes Club! Songs, giggles, and learning for little ears.
Hi friends, it's me, Capy. Let's sing a lullaby together.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, shining star, sailing dreams from near to far. Through the clouds you softly glide, watching over us at night. Twinkle, twinkle, shining star, guide us gently where we are. Twinkle, twinkle, little light, fireflies glowing in the night. In the meadow, soft and still, glowing gently on the hill. Twinkle, twinkle, little light, fill the darkness warm and bright. Twinkle, twinkle, star so bright, like a rocket in the night. Planets spinning all around, silent wonder still profound. Twinkle, twinkle, star so bright, take us on a cosmic
Subscribe for more fun and educational songs.